Hi Nathan. We are going to do our Fundations lesson. I am having trouble with my smartboard right now, so we're going to try and do it just on regular whiteboards. So we're going to go through our letters first. Ready? R, rat, J, jug, j. H, hat, P, pan, p. Y, yellow, y. B, bat, b. C, cat, k. T, top, t. O, octopus, ah. M, man, G, game, g. N, n. I, itchy, it. D, dog, d. F, fun, f. W, wind, w. V, van, v. L, lamp, l. A, apple, a. Q, U, queen, qu. S, snakes. E, ed, e. U, up, a. X, fox, x. K, kite, k. And Z, zebra, z. Now we're going to go through our sight word cards and the words that we've been working on. You ready? Okay, here we go. Dog. I. Dad. Is. In. Cat. Mom. Go. Can. The. And. See. It. And the last one is A. Okay. Now we're going to talk a little bit about vowel sounds. And today we talked about these two symbols. These two symbols are a way of knowing what kind of sound a vowel is going to make. Because sometimes vowels make a short sound, which would be, this side. And this would be the symbol that would be over that vowel to tell you it's a short vowel. Or sometimes they're long. And this would be the symbol that you'd see over a long vowel sound. A short vowel sound, which is indicated by, again, this thing called a brev, are the sounds that we've been working on. A, apple, a. E, ed, e. I, itchy, I. O, octopus, ah. And U, up, The long vowel sounds, which is on this side, are the names of the letters. So a long A sound would be A, ape, a. A. A long E sound would be, I'm trying to think. E, emu, E. I would be I, ice cream, I. O would be O, ode, O. And U, I'm not really sure what it'd be, but it would be U sound. Okay, so we talked about recognizing those two sounds. And I gave a couple examples. So if we were doing the words hop and hope, we would notice that the vowel sound in those two words are very different. Hop would be the short vowel sound because you hear that ah sound there. Hope, O, has the long vowel sound, the O. Okay. Another example would be pine, I. Do you hear the name of that letter? So that would be a long vowel sound. And pin, I. that would be your short vowel sound. We'll be reviewing that a couple different times, so don't worry if you didn't get it this time. But just know that vowels make two different sounds. They can either make a short sound, like the ones we've been practicing, or a long sound, which is the name of the vowel. Okay? Next, what we did today is we did some writing and tapping. So, I'll do that right here. Okay, so we're going to start. Oh, you know what? I remember what word we started with actually. So this was the first word that we tapped, and we talked about how we needed to remember that the Q and the U, even though they're two different letters, make one sound. So it's still going to only be 3 taps. Okay, so this one would be qu, I, z, quiz. Okay, and we're going to change the Z. And we're going to make that a T. You ready? And again, remember that QU is one sound. So, qu, I, t, quit. Okay? So that's another word that we can tap. From here, I can't seem to find my eraser, but my fingers will work just fine, I think. Then we made the word okay, so now we're going to tap that again. You ready? Hand up. It, hit. It's hard to find a space where you can see the word clearly and there's no glare on it. So I'm sorry about that. So this is the word hit. We're going to change the word again. There we go. You ready? Here we go. We're going to tap it together. H, I, D, hid. Okay, so this is the word hid. And we're going to change, fix it one more time. And here we go. One last word. I, rid. And there is an activity in Seesaw for you to do where you have to tap and say the words. And you're supposed to record yourself doing that. So hopefully you'll be able to do that really easily. Okay. After we finished this, sorry about that. We did some magnetic letter work, so I have left that for you to do. I know that I was going to do it yesterday, but it didn't work, and I'm not quite sure how to get it to work today. So I think what I'm going to have you do is to not worry about the second part, which is tapping to spell, and we can do that when you get back. We'll do a lot of that from now until the end of the year. So if you miss a few days, it's not going to be a big deal. Okay? The rest of your work is on Seesaw. So let me get that up and moving. So apparently I cannot get into Seesaw right now, so I can't show you the activities, but there are several activities. One is an activity where you need to fill in the letters of the alphabet. There are some missing and you have to write or type them in. Another activity that I have for you is again the one where you're going to tap and read words, and you're going to record yourself so I can hear you do that. And then another of the activities is where you look at the picture, you tap the sounds of the word, and then you figure out which of the three words that they've given you is the correct spelling of the word that you tapped. Okay, that was one of your worksheets from your folder. And I also sent you a new link for the Double Trouble Groundhog Day listening comprehension. So go ahead and do that. The listening comprehension, the say it, tap it, spell it, and the ABC fill in are all things that we'll be working on throughout this week. They all are equivalent to activities that were in your folder for your folder work this week. And I'm hoping to add a few more tomorrow. Okay, let me know if you have any questions, and we hope to see you soon, bud. Bye.